Sai Ram. 1974, Baba had come here. I was around 6-7 years old, but I still remember all the things like the same place Baba had come, this same courtyard in front of our house. This is a main house, and the courtyard we had a great functions. A lot of devotees. I know, like there was a swing out here, and I still remember sitting on the swing and watching Baba. Like Baba was just walking around. Then one of my cousin, like she was just 4 months old, like, and we put it on Baba's feet, like for her to bless, like, and Baba had fully like showered her with vibhuti, like manifested vibhuti, and she was fully covered. She's a consultant in UK now. She's doing very well. My father, like, he used to whenever Baba was here, he was working as a pilot for him because he was driving the car and everything. So Baba used to call him pilot. There's a photograph with my Baba manifesting vibhuti for my father. Grandfather got a chartered plane in 1974, and there was a function out here. Baba was here, he rested. There's a bed, we have still preserved the bed. Baba's bed is still there. We have just maintained it, like, and we want like the Padukas are going to rest at least for 5 minutes. They're going to rest on the same bed. Like I don't know, after 50 years how this is manifesting. Like, so when the Rath came inside, like I said, like, I could literally feel Baba coming in. Like, it's going to be difficult for me. So his love is like, I don't know what to say. I see I'm not in connect with Baba for long, like almost 50 years now. After 50 years, I am in, because of the Rath, and the significance of the Rath is very important. The Rath is like, I know it's Baba's blessing is again like, is on streets, like meeting people. That's what I feel like. As the Rath Yatra in Jagannath Puri takes place and the Lord comes on the street, like, so at least after 50 years, Baba is on the street, like meeting people. This is like, I don't know, the chance which the Sai Samiti Ratnagiri has given is like honored us with this opportunity to welcome Baba in Ratnagiri. It's like beyond our expectation. Like,
ये प्रेम प्रवाहिनी, ये प्रेम प्रवाहिनी, ये प्रेम प्रवाहिनी, ये प्रेम प्रवाहिनी, दिव्य प्रेम का लिए संदेश आई साई की वाहिनी, ये प्रेम प्रवाहिनी, ये प्रेम प्रवाहिनी।